On this short quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram not working after updating. First thing, open the settings. Go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode, and then go back. Open the apps manager. On this page, you have to search for Instagram. Click on it. Click on storage. Click on clear data and click on delete, and then click on clear cache. Now you have to go back, click on this force stop, and then click on the permissions and make sure that all those permissions are enabled. Now go back to the settings again, go to the wireless and networks, disable the airplane mode and turn off your phone and turn it on again, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end.